Right, before I start messing with this and adding my own RX to it, here we go, Darwin FPV Hulk II, what do I call it? Semi-aquatic drone? Waterproof drone, how about that? This is the 04 version. I got a couple of sets of props, but I've got 5-inch props anyway. You get some extra floats, nicely wrapped up, I will add, with some extra plastic. You could laminate that if you were into it, but those are good. They've added to the original design by putting a GPS on, which has got a polyurethane potting compound, which is great. So it, it is as it should be. It's all waterproof in their rather tough cement ESC stack. ESC stack? Flight controller stack. There's the button, what am I saying? Connector for the 04 unit. That's for your RX. I'm going to open up and just make sure the wiring is how I expect it to be. There's a little thing for your antenna. I will be using Crossfire. What's nice is that the 04 unit in its waterproof box comes in a little bag so it doesn't get scratched, which is nice. I don't know how you put ND filters on this, but you might get away with some camera butter ones and stick those on. They had some that used to go on. There we are. I suppose it would go like that. I haven't talked or anything or set it up. You could maybe even put another camera at the front that should take it out. There. You could maybe add another FPV cam, we'll see. Obviously more work to go on. You've got 2 battery straps in here, some nice tools. Nuts, stickers, some cable ties, an extra connector. It's nice, got an O-ring on the battery connector there. A nice little platform to protect your batteries. Some antenna bits and pieces. What else we got? That was the tools. A heatsink compound. Another tool prop driver. The remains of your 04 unit. Yeah, 2 straps. Nuts. Some standoffs. Don't know what they're for. A card to give you another one. Or 25% if you break it, need to get some more. Which I can understand. And to add, I've got so far just 1 battery. I meant to get 4, but I messed up my order. That's nice, O-ring on that. You get 2 balance leads for when you want to charge, which is good. Press that, isn't that nice? There, so you can be 100% happy that everything is watertight. I'll get around to testing it at some point. So, there we are. I'll mess with it and add my RX and then do another video then.